understand that God knows the thorns that are in your life, yet he still calls you to it. God knows the problems that you are having to work through, yet he still said, I need you to activate. God knows what people are going to say about you, that you shouldn't qualify for this. But he says, go anyway. What I'm trying to get you to understand here, just, real quick before I close, is that you are the answer to what's happening in our world today. And as long as the enemy can keep you focused on the problem that you might have, then the enemy can keep you at bay and never allow you to step in the place where God really wants